Everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Discord. So in order to use Discord, you have to first of all create or register. So for that, you need to open up a browser, type in discord.com and log into and start with the registration. So while you're on this page, click the login button in the top right hand side corner of your screen. Then next thing what you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and press on register underneath. Here you want to go ahead and then type in the email address that you want to register with, then create a display name, set a username and then a password, and go ahead and enter your date of birth, after which you'll be receiving a verification code on your email, which you need to go ahead and press that, or you'll be able to enter in that, and with that it will mark you've successfully verified your Discord account. Once it is verified, then it's going to take you to the home page, which will look something like this. Now in the home page, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and join a server. So first thing, you want to click on the plus icon. You could go ahead and see a pop menu where it says either you want to go ahead and create a new one, or you want to go ahead and start from a template, or you want to go ahead and join a server. Select either one of it. Then if you have a link, you could go ahead and paste it right on this page and join a server. Next thing, you could also go ahead and customize your status, your profile, all that. So just explore all of these once you're logged in. So that's how you could go ahead and use Discord. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.